Hello, my young students. Today we're going to look at how to add the Analysis Toolpak to your Excel. So it's pretty easy. Please be aware that my Excel is in Swedish, but it should be fine. So we need to open up Excel, of course, and what we want to be able to do is look for this data analysis thing. So if you check your data here in data tab, the toolbar will change, and if you don't have this data analysis tool here, you have to go to either Arkiv or File, as it says here, and you go down and find Options or Tools or Alternativ. Click this one, and you get this prompt, this window. And at the bottom here you have this add-ons or tillägg. If you click this one, you can see a bunch of add-ons that are active. In my case, the Analysis Toolpak is active. But if you don't have this active, you need to go to this button here, and then you can check the Analysis Toolbox. So it should look like this. Press OK, and then either when you restart Excel or you click here, it should show up. So you'll be able to click this and get these kind of things. Okay, so that's how you add Analysis Toolpak to your Excel. That's the first video. See you for the later one.